Well, we're doing section 5.3, and that's scientific notation. So our task, we've got problem, let's see. Write 1400 in scientific notation. Okay, so 1400 equals. Well, we know for scientific notation we need a 1. We just need one digit to the left of the decimal, so 1.4 times 10. And the question is, what goes here? Well, notice I moved this decimal over 1, 2, 3 places to here. To move it back, to move it to the right, I have to move it back 3 places, and I'm going to move it to the right 3, so that's positive 3. That's the exponent. And multiply it out. 1.4 times 1,000, you get 1,400. Let's try this guy. 7 times 10 to the negative 5 equals. And so, well, we know we've got to have a 7 there. And this says move the decimal to the left. That's negative 5. So here's our decimal. We've got to move it over 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put it right there. So that's 0, 0, 0, 0. And I'll put a 0 out front here. It's more attractive. That is, notice I moved the decimal to the left 5 places, negative direction. 0.00007. Okay, and let me rewrite this one more time, make sure it's clear. Now, if we were going to write this in standard form, we'd move this decimal over to the right 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have one more of these to do, and here it is. We've got to write this in standard form. So we've got scientific notation, and we've got 7.24 times 10 to the negative 3, and 3.62 times 10 to the negative 6. And that equals, so 7.24 is the same as 2 times 3.62 over 3.62 times, and this is 10 to the negative 3 over 10 to the negative 6. Now these 3.62's divide out, and we just have a 2 here, times, and 10 to the negative 3, and by the law of exponents, if I move that 10 to the move this base upstairs, then I have to change the sign on the exponent, and I'll have a positive 6 there. So that's 2 times 10 to the negative 3 plus 6, which equals 2 times 10 to the third. And we are done.